as part of this restoration process, I wanted to make some really quick 1-minute how-to movies on how to work on early Subaru, namely GC8, although this will apply to a lot of Subaru models. This particular short movie will be instructional on how to remove the front bumper. I'm going to go fast because I hate long how-to videos. So, here's how you do it. 2 bolts here. Those are for the main support. Remove your charcoal canister, which slides into this bracket. So you unclip it gently, slide it up. That reveals 2 more bolts. Each corner of the bumper has a shoulder bolt. You can see it here. There's another on the other side. Those are important. I'll cover a couple tips on that after. This bolt in the center of the grille, that goes to what people call the slam panel or the radiator support. Underneath, there's one of these on each side. That's the other one. Take those off and you're done. Okay, you can go if you're in a hurry. Here's the long version. If you don't want to scratch the car and you're all alone, you don't have a helper, you can get some boat shrink or some masking tape, jam it under here, fold it up. Do 2 layers. That way if you're in the center of the bumper trying to wrangle it off and the ears come off, they won't hit your fender. I'll show you some hardware. This is the old hardware. It consists of a shoulder bolt and this plastic piece with an embedded nut. It's like a nut cert. You can see this one's mangled and broken. I had to hold this with channel locks because the threads were frozen in to get this old one off. You want to make sure you hold it firmly when you unscrew a frozen bolt, because if you don't, this piece will twist, and within this piece, in this channel here, is your front fender tab. So if you let this spin as you're trying to unscrew a stuck bolt, you'll spin the fender tab or shear it, damage your fender. So you want to be very careful not to do that. This is a part number for the new insert. Just buy some new inserts before you start. The front and rear bumpers use the same one. This is what the bolt looks like. It's fine, this one didn't break. This is the part number for the bolt. Same thing goes for the rear. So I got a bunch of these used ones. I'm just going to throw these out. You can see how that slides onto the fender right there. So that's really about it. Those are my tips for taking off the front bumper. I will do one on the rear and then some more tips as we continue to do this restoration. Thanks.